19.2, make picture graphs. How do you make a picture graph to answer a question? Use counters to solve the problem. Draw or show your work. All right. Asaf has 6 baseball cards. Baseballs. He has 4 bats. Does he have more baseballs or bats? Draw circles to show the baseballs and the bats. Okay, so he has. Let's get my comment with my pencil. He has 6 baseballs. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And he has 4 bats. 1, 2, 3, 4. Which one has more? The baseballs. The baseballs has more. The baseball has 6 versus the bats have 4, so the baseballs are 2 more. Very good. Are there more black or white sheep in the picture? Make a picture graph to find out. All right, so they've already done the first one for us. So 1, 2, 3, and then white sheep. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are more white sheep. WHITE. All right, do more children like cats or dogs? Ask 10 friends which pet they like better. Circle 1 for each answer. Draw 1 circle for each child's answer, cats or dogs. Okay, so since we can't actually ask a ton of people, I'm going to give you numbers. There are going to be 6 cats and 4 dogs. Okay, so 6 cats, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 4 dogs. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many children chose cats? 6. How many children chose dogs? 4. Which pet did more children choose? Kitty cats. Okay. Which activity do most children like best? Ask 10 friends. Draw 1 circle for each child and answer. Okay, so since we don't have a whole classroom to ask, I will be giving you numbers. So we're going to do 7 reading, 2, actually no, let's erase that. Let's do 5 sports, 3 computer, and 2 reading. Okay. So draw our circles. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many children chose reading? 2 children chose reading. How many children chose computers and sports? So there are 5 sports, 3 computers. 5 plus 3 equals 8. What activity did the children choose the most? Sports. Did all your classmates make picture graphs that look the same? Well, considering that we had the same numbers, your picture graph should look the same. But if we asked 10 random people in our classroom, our picture graphs would look different. Write your own question about the graph. I'm going to say how many people chose reading and sports. Reading and sports. Look at the question you wrote. Answer your question. How many children chose reading and sports? So 5 plus 2 equals 7. So reading and sports. And 7 is my answer. Okay, Matt made this picture graph to show the paint colors his friends like best. Each circle stands for 1 child. Choose the correct answer. How many children chose a paint color? So how many children chose a paint color in general in all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many fewer children chose green than blue? So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. So 5 minus 2 is 3. 3. Matt adds his own choice to the graph. Now 2 colors have the same number of circles. Which color did Matt choose? Now 2 colors have the same number of circles. He chose green because green is the only one that doesn't have enough. All right. Use the graph at the top. How many children chose blue and red? Blue is 5. Red is 3. So 5 plus 3 equals 8. Very good job. All right. Do more people like morning or evening? Ask 10 friends or family members which they like better. Okay, ask your family members, your family at your house, which do they prefer, morning or evening, and record their responses. Each circle stands for one person, and then answer the questions regarding the graph. So you'll get your total of your family that enjoys morning or evening, and then you'll answer how many people chose morning, how many people chose evening, and what time of day did more people choose. Okay. Marlon made this picture graph to show the instrument the class likes best. We have drums, triangles, and bells. How many children chose a favorite instrument? So when it asks how many children chose, you need to add up the total. So you need to count how many people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many fewer people chose bells than triangle? So there are 4 triangle, 3 bell. So 4 minus 3 equals 1. Marley likes drums the best. Now he adds his own choice to the graph. Now how many fewer choosers chose bells than drums? So if Marley adds his, then that means we have 6. Now how many people chose bells over drums? 3. Because now we're at 6 minus 3 is 3. How many children chose bells and triangles altogether? So then count bells and triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Very nice.